pre-1918 fan, made in the USA, Elizabeth, New Jersey. It is solid metal construction, weighs about 19 pounds. It's very quiet. The wind really blows hard. Right now it's on low speed. I'm going to switch to medium. That's the boss coughing in the background. I'm going to switch to high. I know you can't feel it, but my hair is blowing in the wind. It's so strong. There's the switch down here. Turn it off. And there's the high, medium, low. Really good construction. It really does the job, not like today's fans. It'll be on Steven's Basement on the eBay store. We're also on McCary and Etsy. Thank you.